Good morning. Why are you clicking the photos of the desk?
This guest is going to stay in our hotel for a year. I am making a file with his preferences, so that we can make his stay comfortable.
That is interesting. Can you tell me more about how to manage guest preference?
Sure, let me tell you why and how to manage guest preference in housekeeping. Managing guest preference is an important part of our job. We will do that by paying attention to details. Before I begin telling you about this, in case you have not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button below the video. Whenever a long-stay guest comes to stay in our hotel, we prepare a file about the guest. The file will have the guest preferences about food and beverage, and also details on how he likes the room to be made. After I make this list, I will then pass on the information to my supervisor, who will update it in the guest preference file.
That way, even if Poonam is off for a day or on vacation, the next person who takes charge of the floor knows what to do in that room. This file will also help to increase guest satisfaction, as we can provide consistent service to the guest. After we put the file together, we must confirm with the guest if they would like us to maintain the room according to what we have observed.
In this video, I learned how to manage guest preferences and provide great consistent service. It may be different in your hotel, so do ask your supervisor. Also check out the other videos. Go on and click on the playlist on the left.
See you in the next video.